Hello, algebra students. This is Mr. Myers, and I'm going to go over solving a system of equations by elimination. But before I get started with that, I want to go through a scenario here that I think everybody can understand. If I had 3 plus 5 equals 8 and 7 minus 5 equals 2, what happens if we combine these two mathematical sentences? So I'm going to combine them or add them. 7 and 3 make 10. 5 and negative 5 make 0. And 8 and 2 make 10. And you notice that this is true. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. What did I do? I eliminated this term in both equations. And how did I do that? They are opposites. When you add opposites, you get 0. There's another way you can do this also. If I had 5 plus 8 equals 13, and let's just say we had 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Look what happens if we subtract both. Subtract the bottom one from the top one. Well, 5 take away 10 is negative 5. 8 take away negative 8 is 0. And 13 take away 18 is negative 5. So you notice that when I change the sign on everybody in the second equation, and I add the result to the top numbers, I still get an equation that's balanced. Notice I eliminated the 8's. This is essentially what elimination is. So how can we use this in an algebraic sentence? If I had x plus y is equal to 7, and I had 2x minus y is equal to 2, I'm going to simply add these two number sentences together. The first one, if I have 1x and you give me 2 more, I have 3x's. A y take away a y. They are opposites. They will be eliminated when you combine them. So that's just 0. And then 7 plus 2 is 9. At this point in time, I hope you can see what the answer is. 3 times what number equals 9? Well, x has to be 3, because 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, oftentimes, when you get an answer like this, you're finished, but not this situation, because remember we have x's and y's, and we need to have both numbers. And I only have this one. So if I put in 3 where x was at, plus y equals 7, well, if I was to cover this y up and just look at 3 plus what equals 7, you would tell me y is equal to 4. But I also want to go into this equation also real quick. 2 times 3 minus y equals 2. Well, this is 6 minus y equals 2. What number has to go here to make it true? Well, it's got to be 4, because 6 minus 4 equals 2. And I know some people may be looking at that negative sign. Well, would that be negative 4? When we put a positive 4 in here, it'll instantly become negative because of that negative sign right there. But it is still 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So y is equal to 4. So you can see in both equations, the answer is x is 3, y is 4. You can put this into Desmos to test it. And let's just do that real quick to prove to you that the answer is 3 and 4. So our first one was x plus y equals 7. Our second equation was 2x minus y equals 2. And you can see that our point of intersection is x is 3, y is 4. Hope that helps you. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in class.